Good afternoon. Welcome sa Kitchen Graciously, guys. Please like, follow, and share. Sa Kitchen Graciously. Ngayon, gagawa ko ng pork check. Barbecue pork check sa oven, guys. Ito yung mga ingredients ko. Kunting tubig. Gagawa ko kasi ng sauce. Kahit soy sauce, fish sauce, at saka lemon or lime. Okay lang. Kahit anong ilalagay nyo dito, pwede lemon or lime or calamansi, it's okay. And this one is the 1 teaspoon of sugar, minced chili, red minced chili, and then shallot and garlic, all minced and mixed together. Yan, ito yung mga sauce ko ngayon, guys. And then ito na ngayon yung aking pork check.